floor is falling away.
Is it not recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Oh dear. It's so funny when you watch it, it doesn't look like it's going that fast. It's really not going very fast. Oh dear. Oh, this might get... Oh, this is already going to get to my stomach a little bit. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. What's that? It's pretty fun. I don't know, my stomach just doesn't bother me anymore. I mean, as far as, you know, you get that falling feeling, I don't get that anymore. It's pretty fun. Woo! Whoa, that's pretty cool. That's pretty fun. I'm always afraid I'm going to hit my feet. I'm always pulling my feet up. Oh, that's it? That was pretty fun. What'd you think, Jack?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.